In this video, we'll talk about kitchen design or just an introduction. I will show you where to find the software and we'll show you how to set up the room. So kitchen design software, I went into Google and I typed in kitchen design software just in case the IKEA one that I have does not work. And it comes up with a list here, 24 best. You can scroll down, there's lots of options here. You have to find one that hopefully works on your computer. So 24 best online kitchen design. So I go here. And then down here it gives me like 19 options that are free and then some paid ones here. If I go back to the Google Classroom, I go into the Google Classroom, I did do a link for the IKEA one. I've used the IKEA one, which is why I am going to set it up, or I'm going to show you what I can do in the IKEA one. If you want to do it in a different software, feel free. The first thing, so I'm going to the IKEA home planner here. First thing I would do is I would create a profile or login. So this way you can save your material. Otherwise you can't. So in here I'd type C Scomra. Oh, that's my account. So I would do create an account. So here we go. I'm going to create an account. And we'll type in my name. So we'll type in first name, last name, my email. I'm going to use the school email address, you guys know. So it's different at pvnccdsb.on.ca. Re-enter it. They want to know that it's correct. And then you got to put a password in. And obviously not the password for that. You need to create a password. And I will make something up here. Let's try something different. And make sure when you do this password, you follow these here. These contains at least 3 letters, number from 0 to 9, uppercase, lowercase, special characters. Make sure you have that. Okay. And then I'll click I'll agree. And I'll save and continue. It'll probably send me an email letting me know. Let's take a look here. Okay, so now I can save things. I can go to the cloud and save things. Start by creating a new design. So I've created a profile. You are logged in. Didn't even ask to go to the email. Now I'll go create a new design. And now I can actually hit save and I can go back to it later. Or you can do this all in one shot. You can sit for 3 hours and do it. So here it is, a 2D, so you can pick the size of the room. So in this video, I'm going to set up my room, and then I'm going to add my kitchen. I'm going to assume my kitchen is going to go from here to here. I'm going to add some items onto this room. So first, maybe I'll just adjust the size. Maybe my kitchen's not this big. Maybe it's a 15 foot here. Maybe let's see. Let's maybe make it 13 foot down here. Whoops. And 20 foot, maybe make it 18 feet here. So I'll make some adjustments here, and you can see the numbers changing as I just clicked on here. And I went, so I got 18 by 13. Okay, we can also change the room shape. I kind of like 18 by 13, but I could have picked at the bottom here. There's some options down here of room shapes, which are hard to see right now. Let's see if I can close that down here. So you can have this room shape, or with a little cutout, that one. There's a lot of options. I just want the square one for now. So I got my square or my rectangle back. I'm going to add some doors. So instead of room shape, I click over here on the side to doors. I'll assume maybe there's a French that goes outside. So I click on the French door. It shows me here, and I can just put the French door somewhere on this wall. Maybe this French door just goes outside. I can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, there's a French door. Now to switch to 3D to see how it looks, you can click on this one for 3D, and there's my French door. You can always adjust the size if you think it should be bigger just by clicking on it. Okay, so there's that. Okay, to go back to 2D, go here. Let's say there's a door in here. So this door, just a normal interior door, and we're going to move that door. So you can just click your mouse and drag it. And let's say there's a door to go into another room over here. And our kitchen will be over here. Maybe there's an opening right there. So let's figure out if I can do an opening. So we got door, resizable opening. So if I scroll down with my mouse, there's a resizable opening. I'll click on it and put it over here for some reason. I'll just drag it over here and I'll click here, or let's go to the 3D view. There's my opening here. Let's turn it a bit. There, I want to resize. Maybe this is a huge opening, goes into another room. So I'll resize it here. And we'll have a huge opening that opens up maybe into a dining room over there. So there's our opening here. And maybe we'll add a window. So we can also add a window. So I like to add things in this view. So I love to add things in this view. And maybe I'll center that so I can actually see. I'll center it. Maybe the opening's here. I'm going to add a window maybe right about here. So we'll add a window. We can always move this window if we wanted to. I just one of these hung window. Okay, we'll move the one window over here. Okay, and we'll add another window, I think, right over here. Somewhere about here to go outside. Maybe we'll move this here and we'll have one window. So we've got two windows in here. Assume there's one here and one there. Assume this is the corner of a house. Maybe this window is a little bit lower here, right about there. Okay, so we got two windows, one over there, one over there. Maybe I don't like this one, but we'll just have the one, and we'll position it right about here. So maybe there's here you can't see anything. If I change my mind, I'll add the other window later. So we'll go to the 3D view, and then we've got a window here. We have a door that goes outside, and if I don't like where I want that one, I can put it wherever I want. Opening to another room and a door there. We're back in here again, so we're back on this view. This is the best view to place things in. So now we're going to add some cabinets. So next step, we'll just go in order. We'll add a cabinet. So we'll click here, and we'll add a cabinet. So we're going to go here and add some cabinets. Actually, I'll just add a sink. So I'll add a base cabinet with a sink, and I'll finish the video on the next one. So base cabinet here, so 24-inch deep, sure. And we need one with a sink, single bowl sink, half bowl, double bowl sink. And we can look at the various cabinets down here. We can just pick one. Let's say pick that one. And we'll put our cabinet right under the window. So we're going to drag it. So it's right here for now. And we'll drag it. And we'll put it right under the window, because usually a sink, that's a great place to go, right under a window as a cabinet. And we could move these later on. So in a 3D mode right now, we've got a sink under a cabinet, which is quite, or a sink under a window, which is quite common in this. So we're going to continue by adding some base cabinets and some other cabinets in the next video.